Hello everyone. Did you like my banana blossom salad? Today I offer you the soup, a fish soup with banana blossom and tomato. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you are new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So, with the fish or any poultry seafood, I always clean them and rub them with salt and lime or lemon. Especially for this fish, you need to go over on the blood line where the blood buckets. You need to remove them out. Otherwise, they very smelly when you cook. Now for the banana blossom, I cut up the end and I remove the outer leaves. I normally go about 5-6 leaves so that the remaining will be young and tender. I do this very slow and clear this time because last time some people watching my making salad and they are confused about what to eat, what not to eat, what cook or not cook. So now the inner tender I thinly slice, and I already got a bowl of water with vinegars and lime juice ready. So as soon as I slice the blossom, I dump into this water. The purpose is to keep the banana blossom of oxidization. And here are other components: tomatoes and herbs and chilies. So for the herbs, I have Vietnamese oregano, culantro, Thai basil. If you want to read the instruction, the written recipe, you can go to the description box below. So in my pan, I add my oil and stir fry garlic and ginger. I already crush them. You saw me crushing before. And then when it's fragrant, I drop in my fish. And I cook both sides and I add the water. I add 4 cups of water here until the water cover my fish. And I drop in the tomato and the banana blossom threads that I cut earlier. Remember, I to let the fish cook for about 10 minutes. You don't need too long because the fish is cooked very fast. I don't want to overcook the fish. So when I cook the fish about 10 minutes and I add the tomato and the banana blossoms. I remove the scum as I go, and then I season with salt, pepper, fish sauce, And for the flavor, the tart part, I add vinegar and lime juice. And you can add the crushed chili now to bring out the flavor of the chili. And that's it. Taste it, test it, and then if you're happy with it, and done. Sprinkle some herbs. And now I present the soup on the bowl. This is my shallow bowl. By the way, I don't know what is the name of this tomato, only they are tiny. I bought the Everglades tomatoes and I bought the cocktail tomato, and I've messed up the label. I don't know which one is which. So if you know this tomato, you can tell me. Now I put the Thai basil flour in the mouth of the fish and a bit of hot chili there. And I laid on the broth. You see it's very colorful. And I tasted. It's very good. I invite you to enjoy it with me. Now, last time many people confused. So today I will do a taste test for you. So here you go. You pick up the banana threads with some tomatoes, some herbs, and then just eat that way. This tomato is very fun and nice. A lot of flavor in a small packages. See, that's what you pick. You pick up some threads, some tomatoes, some herbs, and you eat all together. And now for some broth. This is very flavorful broth. Sweet and sour and tart and sweet and a little salty and aromatic. Very good. Now let's try a piece of fish. You can see it's very easy to remove the fish. Be careful with the bones. Sometimes the bones will get into the meat and you need to remove the bones. Thank you. I see you next time. Bye bye.